Good morning. Welcome to coming our shop. What do you want? I want some storybooks. Look there. There are many storybooks are present. Whatever you want, you can choose. Do you have some moral storybooks? Yes, we have. Wait, I watch. This moral story are best to read. Okay, wait for 1 minute. Okay. How much it cost? Its cost is 60 rupees. I want just two books. Wait, take this. Where is your phone pay? This is our phone pay. Scan it and check on your mobile. Do you get the money? Yes, wait. Yes, I got it. Thank you. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to coming our shop. What do you want? I want exam board. Look there, there are pads. Whatever you want, you can choose and bring it. Have any white exam board? Yes, we have. Take there. This pad is right to writing exam. How much cost? Its cost is 120 rupees. Okay. It is scanner. There are scanner are present. Check in our mobile. Yes, I will check. Wait. Yes, I got in money 120 rupees in my Paytm. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Thank you.